Welcome to Bikelegend Pro. The Premier Padmini, one of India's most iconic cars, is a name synonymous with the 1980s and 1990s Indian motoring culture. Originally introduced in 1973, the Padmini was a compact, stylish sedan that became a household name in urban India. It was produced by Premier Automobiles Limited, an Indian automobile manufacturer based in Mumbai. The car was based on the Fiat 1100, which was known for its simplicity and reliability. Over the years, the Padmini went through various upgrades and facelifts, maintaining its strong presence on Indian roads. However, production ceased in 2000, and the Padmini became a symbol of an era that now seems nostalgic. Fast forward to 2025, and the Premier Padmini has made a comeback, albeit in a much more modern form. The 2025 Premier Padmini is a reimagined version of the classic car, combining vintage charm with contemporary technologies and design elements. It maintains the Padmini's iconic silhouette with a more streamlined body, offering a blend of retro aesthetics and aerodynamic efficiency. The relaunch is part of an effort by Premier Automobiles to tap into the growing market for affordable yet stylish electric vehicles, EVs, in India, addressing the country's shift towards sustainable transportation solutions. Under the hood, the 2025 Padmini boasts an electric powertrain that marks a significant departure from its original petrol-powered engine. Equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, the new Padmini can travel up to 300 kilometers on a single charge, making it ideal for city commuting and short-distance travel. The car supports fast charging, allowing the battery to be charged up to 80% in just 30 minutes. Additionally, it features regenerative braking, contributing to better energy efficiency and longer battery life. This eco-friendly approach aims to meet the increasing demand for electric cars in India, as the government pushes for greener alternatives. Inside, the 2025 Premier Padmini blends comfort with cutting-edge technology. The cabin offers a minimalist yet modern design, with high-quality materials and a focus on user-friendly interfaces. A touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay takes center stage, providing navigation, entertainment, and connectivity options. The seats are ergonomically designed, offering ample legroom and support, which is a significant upgrade compared to the original Padmini, which was known for its compact and basic interior. The car also features advanced safety features like automatic emergency braking, lane assist, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring that it meets the stringent safety standards of the modern automotive world. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Premier Padmini is positioned as an affordable electric vehicle, targeting a broader audience in India, especially first-time EV buyers. The base variant is expected to start around 12 Indian rupees lakh, making it competitive with other electric cars in the Indian market. It is designed to appeal to a wide demographic, from nostalgic car enthusiasts who remember the original Padmini to younger, environmentally conscious buyers looking for an entry-level electric vehicle. In essence, the 2025 Premier Padmini is not just a car but a bridge between India's automotive past and its sustainable future, offering a unique blend of history, innovation, and practicality.